Just arrived in Saskatoon, and we have a couple of Saskatoon's finest on the bus here. First, we have Mr. McHenry, one of U of S's finest. He's still a ham, scrub, all the rest.
Welcome to my home.
Next up,
Nottingham.
You gotta get
next up, we got Mr. Graham Bell here, ladies' man. All the women in Saskatoon love this guy here.
Buy your Nottingham shirts off the website.
Oh yeah, forget Nottingham, 22 fresh all day. Remember that. So you see how that arrow's crossing out that end, right? Exactly. Oh man, Harpo,
You gotta get Bombo on there.
rookie in the building. 29-year-old rookie like Chris Winky.
NC in the building.
Oh man, Dress need to do something with that hair right there. I see him. Rider Nation, you see that hair? Oh my God. Help him out, please. Then we got Mr. Husey, Regina's finest. We call him white chocolate. Sweet feet.
That thing's tiny.
Sweet feet right there, man. Ben Heenan in the background, first round pick. And that's my man right there. He's trying to act all lazy behind Neil, but you know, he's here. That's my personal protector, bodyguard, lover, etc., etc.
Did you say lover?
Sorry, Amy, he's mine. I have to borrow him for 6 months a year.